let's start some market analysis, and after that I will start homework which you mostly members submitted here. Around 64 members already submit a question answer, so I will explain that what are you doing wrong or right. Okay, and after that I will start a quick question answer session. Okay, so first of all, starting from few major requested pair. Okay, and so GBP USD, gold, Bitcoin, Nifty, Bank Nifty in a few minutes. So start from the GBP USD chart. So this one is our GBP USD chart. As you know, market momentum was bearish in a higher time frame, now turned into bullish, and again market trying to push downside to mitigate your decisional PY, extreme PY. Then we can see some continuation and reversal, right? Okay, so right now what happening here, as you can see here, market create equal high at this point, and when market create equal high, okay, so we can see after taking out the inducement we are looking for the buy. Okay, so in this situation, where is inducement? As you know, this was our inducement, and after taking out the inducement probably we are looking for the buy, because market mostly react from decisional and extreme PY, correct? So this one is our decisional, and where is our decisional? This candle, and this candle shadow is here. Okay, so we can see some reaction at this point when market mitigate this one, and then we can see some reaction to the continuation to the upside to taken out this equal high liquidity. Okay, and then push downside and again go higher to mitigate this extreme order block, right? So another one is here which is already mitigated here. Okay, everything is mitigated here, this one. Okay, now search again in a lower time frame to see exactly what happening here, because as a day trader we need to understand what happening here in a lower time frame, in a 15-minute time frame. Okay, so as per 15-minute time frame, market momentum is a bearish and continue market pushing downside, as you know, and this was our last swing low is here. This was our last structure is here, swing low is here, higher high, again break this one, change of factor is here, and after this change of factor, what happened here? You have to identify where is inducement in this lag. First of all, look at this one. Where is our inducement? This one. Right. So basically, this is our inducement. When market taken out the inducement, then our lower low confirm here. So where is our lower low? This one. Lower high, break this one, tick off structure. Okay, there is no inducement, and finally market create another lower low is here after taking out this inducement. Again, market break this high, and this become our change of factor. Why not the lower one? Which one? Okay, so this is a change of factor. Again push higher high, and same process happen here. break the structure, candle close of it, taken out the inducement, again go higher, break the structure. But in this case, there is a no inducement, so our higher high will be here. And now we have a range between this low to this high. Okay. And market is still after change of factor, we can see some bullish momentum to the upside. So this one is our extreme unmitigated order block at this point, right? So we can see some reversal at this point when market taken out, mitigate this order block. Okay, so which is already mitigate here. So once price mitigate this one, and we can see some momentum to the upside, and probably we can see some continuation before to push downside, right? If market broken this one, so this become our break off structure and continue go higher. And this is our trend line, like channel type of pattern. In this type, mostly market taken out this high, and then we can see some mitigation, like possibly here anything is here, so we can see some mitigation and then push downside. Okay, but main thing, this high, this is a not main thing, this is our main thing is here, because this is our actual big move is here, and trend line broken here. That's why. Okay, actual inducement is here, but why we are counting this one? Because trend line, right? So when market taken out this one, then we can see some continuation in a downside like this at this one. Let's see what happening here in a 1 minute time frame. In a 1 minute time frame, it's a very messy price action is here, as you know. If I refine here in a 1 minute time frame, then we can find exact order block to find the high probability entry. First one is here, right? And these are also order block, and this one is so many order blocks is here. First one, second one, and third one. Right. So it means 3 order blocks at this point. Simply you have to wait for to mitigate at least 1 order block. So right now market mitigate middle of the order block. Which one is here? Simply you can buy here after a CHoCH here, price tab here, mitigate, taken out this inducement and buy here. This one is our change of factor. Take this high, taken out this inducement and mitigate this shadow also, and you can buy here. Again, trendline liquidity and continuation. And these are like a very noisy price action is here. So price mitigate your 15-minute POI is here, and we can see some continuation to the upside, at least taken out this high, right? Because the trend line liquidity, and this is a channel pattern as per the pattern, right? Channel pattern is here. So when market broken this one, a lot of people are introduced here for buy and then put downside. Okay, now switch here again in a gold. What are the most accurate data feed provider backtesting, Wanda and FXCM? It's up to you that first of all, you have to match your broker price and a trading view broker price like Wanda, FXCM. If everything is fed, then you can. So why is ZU going up or down? Because market going to mitigate daily time frame order block, right? Can you do quick recap about inducement? Inducement, I already mentioned so many times. Okay, and I hope I have covered in this situation. Then you can understand more better. Okay, so wait for it. All right, so in our daily time frame, first of all, check in a gold. Same situation here in a gold. Taken out the inducement, and after taken out the inducement, order block is here. Right. Market type here gave reaction and then failed. So probably we can sell after taking out this high, because this is the first pullback after fail this one. Right. Let me show you this one. Because this was inducement, this is higher high, taken out the inducement, tap on this order block, give a small reaction and push downside. So what we can expect? We can expect market must be taken out the at least this high, right? And then possibly push downside to mitigate this order block, this shadow, and then push downside. This is the first POI. And the next one on extreme. Okay. So this is the overall direction as per the daily time frame, but you have to check in a 15-minute as a day trader. In a 15-minute time frame, market momentum is also bearish is here. So simply you can mark the structure as well as here. Lower lows, lower high, because taken out the inducement, continue going higher high. Start from here. Lower lows, taken out the inducement, continue go higher high, take the structure, liquidity sweep, liquidity sweep, liquidity sweep, and finally close below it. And so this become our lower lows like this. Again liquidity sweep, so this become our new high, I mean lower high. Break the structures here, close below it. So many liquidity. So market generally taking out the liquidity in a both side, high and measure high and low, right? So now probably first attempt liquidity sweep and price close below it. So we can see some reversal to the upside to confirm this lower low. Okay, taking out the inducement and then continue go higher, and price maybe mitigate this extreme supply zone, which one is here before to the downside, and if breach this one then and close of it, so we can see some momentum to the upside, right? So right now momentum is completely bearish. Okay, now let's see in a Bitcoin, BTC USDT. Okay, this is these are equal high. Okay, in another broker, this is a, I think in a Bitfinex USD. No, these are also equal high in on every broker. So USDT. So right now, momentum is also short term in a bearish in a Bitcoin. But if you check here in a daily time frame perspective, then you can see here these are previous measure high at this point. When market taken out the previous measure swing high or low, which is a strong indication for the reversal to the downside. So at this point, we can see probably market at least mitigate the first PY, which one is here, after taken out this inducement, which one is here. because this is our pullback, but this high is not taken out. So this become our pullback, sorry, inducement. So price can be taken out this one in a future, in upcoming days, peaks, right? And right now momentum is a bearish, and look at this candlestick behavior is here. This candle taken out the previous candle high. It means this candle act like a PUI. If price mitigate between this range, and definitely we can sell here, right? Like this till this low, because this candle taken out this liquidity. So this entire candle act like a PUI as per our entry plan, as per our plan, which is covered in chapter 16, right? Let's see in a daily time, in a 1 hour time frame to refine where is our possible order block, how many order block is possible here. So right now, this one is our first order block is here, right? So probably we can expect price mitigate this one and push downside. This is a extreme and high probability. And first one is here. Okay. And just below it, this one is already mitigated by this move, so we can switch to this one. So these two POI is here if price mitigate this one, and we can sell here. And the extreme one is high probability because these are trendline liquidity also, right? So price must be mitigate this one, and price mitigate this one, and then fail and sell here, right? And also you can sell here directly at this point, because this one is our extreme and major target is here. All right. So again, in our bank nifty, what happening here? Let's look at this one. Bank nifty in a 15-minute time frame and 5-minute time frame. This was a lower lows, lower high, okay, and this lower low is not confirmed here because market not close of it, right? So market is still moving in a range, and tap on your extreme order block, which one is here. And right now there is a no order block or anything is here, pressed ranging between this high and low, and you have to wait for it to confirm like a bearish to bullish structure in this case. And this is our internal structure, as you know, because price reacting between the major high and low. Okay, so what happening here, you can see I'm talking about internal structure. Lower low is here because market taken out this inducement, confirm the higher lower high, break this one, lower lows, taken out the inducement, lower high, break the structure, push downside, lower low, and taken out the inducement and continue to higher. So if price close of it, so this can be a change of factor as per the internal structure. But if price say continue push downside and broke this one another break of structure and continue go higher, and this can be lower high, right? So you have to play as per the structure, as per the current price action. Okay, so now let's check the homework. First of all, okay, so this was a first question was here, bullish and bearish structure mapping any time frame, right? So this is our first answer is here. Okay, taken out the inducement, sweep, boss, confirm here. So these are internal, right? And this is our actual structure, boss, choke, inducement, and continue go higher, boss, and inducement, correct. So this one is a valid is here. Now check the next one is here. Okay, inducement, choke. Okay, inducement, choke, and boss, correct. And this was an inducement, change of factor, inducement. Okay, perfect. And this is a new inducement. Continue go higher, push downside. This become our lower lows and lower high, and this become our break of structure, correct. In this case, lower lows here taken out the inducement, break of structure. Okay, perfect. I think similar example is here. Okay, inducement, chalk, inducement, perfect. This one is also a valid is here, correct? Okay, police structure mapping is here. Inducement is here, right? Because the first pullback is here after break this high. Let me change the color. Look at this one, this one. This is inducement, right? This structure is here like this. Taken out this one, this higher high confirm here. Taken, okay. Sweep, and yes, this point, because this is a pullback is here. Right. To confirm any higher high and lower low, I mean structure mapping. So you can take a minor inducement also, I think. It's not a minor. Yes, it's a minor inducement, right? So to confirm any higher high, lower low structure mapping, so you can use minor means, it doesn't matter. Okay, perfect. And rest thing is a perfect. This one is also perfect, but yes, sir. This one is also good. Tata Steel M15 chart. why are you marking start from here, right? So you have to basically starting mapping the from bottom or top of the structure, right? If market is a bullish, right, turn into bearish to bullish, so always start from bottom to top like this, right? If market is a bearish, okay, then always start from top of the structure, right? So I don't know how you have done this one because I'm not clear, because this one is also looks like a valid IDM is here. So this can be a sweep and close. This is a okay liquidity sweep, liquidity sweep. So I'm not clear on this chart, right? Okay, so in this chart you can see this one is our lower low is here because market taken out the inducement again go higher, and this is our highest point. This become our lower high. This one is our peak of structure push downside, taken out the inducement is here. So this become our new lower low. So right now this is our internal structure. So this move basically like this. Okay. Okay. So in this case, not showing clearly, but let me try. Sir, are you going to check 64 respond? Yes, sir. Okay, okay. Inducement, zero liquidity, peak of structure, inducement. Perfect. Okay, looks good. Okay. Bliss structure mapping is here. I don't know why you mark this as a boss, but this is a lower low is here because I'm not sure how you have done. Taken out the inducement, break of structure, taken out the inducement, higher high, sweep, transfer here to here, correct. Taken out the inducement, lower low, sweep, sweep, perfect. Now I will check randomly few respond because it's take a lot of time. Okay. Let's see. Chalk inducement. Okay, perfect. Inducement always the first pullback. Which one is here? Right, this one. Taken out the inducement, higher high, higher low. Again go higher high. Okay. Yes, correct. And resting is correct. break of structure chalk and push downside, boss, inducement. Okay. And this one is also looks good is here. Perfect. Because most of the community members are able to identify the structure mapping, right? Which is a very good thing. Perfect. Okay. Inducement, taken out the inducement, higher low, higher high. Okay. Perfect. Yes, sir. This one is also valid. Okay, now the switch into the next question answer. Difference between inducement and chalk. This is an important thing because a lot of people are confusing to identification inducement and chalk. So let's see. Yes, sir. Inducement. Okay, perfect. So generally chalk happen on two PY, and like this is a chalk as per the structure mapping, but when price tap on PY, then also market create chalk, right? So this one is our boss and chalk, again market push downside, and the first pullback is always inducement because this is our higher high. The first pullback is always inducement, right? Let me show you through a trend. For example, this one. So this first pullback is our inducement. Once market taken out the inducement, market continue go downside. Break this low, this become our break of structure is here. Okay. So this is a break of structure. Where is inducement? First pullback is here. Like this, market must be taken out this. If market not able to taken out the this inducement is here, right? So market can be create new inducement. So this inducement transfer here to here, right? So this is an inducement. If market taken out this one, so this become our lower low because this is our structure mapping, right? So inducement and again push downside, and this process will be continue. Okay. And finally, market break this measure high is here because this is a boss and this one is also boss, right? So what is this? This become our change of factor. Why? Because market momentum change bearish to bullish, right? And now is everything is a bullish, boss and boss, correct? And this become our boss, right? And the next possible scenario, if market tap on PUI zone, okay? So what happen if price tap on PUI like this? This one is your PUI, right? So where is the chalk? This is a chalk is here, which is actual structure. But at this time, this become our chalk. But in reality, this is an inducement. But when price tap on PUI, so first pullback is a called change of character, right? Okay, now let's check another one. Yes, sir. Similar like this. When price tap on PUI, so price tap on PY, first pullback is a called chalk, right? But at this point, as you can see here, this one is a little bit here. This one, like this. So first pullback is here, so this become our chalk. But market tap here in reality, this become our chalk actually. So always we can sell after taking out the inducement, price tap on higher time frame PY, first pullback, and then chalk and inducement, and then sell. Right? If there is a no inducement, then no need to sell here. Inducement is here. If price now tap higher time frame, this is a regular idiom. Correct. So if price now tap any PUI higher time frame, so this as a first pullback is always inducement. But if price tap on PUI higher time frame PUI or sweep any major high like this, right? So this is a not inducement. This convert into CHoCH, right? This is a inducement because structure creating higher high, break the structure, continue go higher, right? This is an inducement, taken out the inducement, confirm higher high like this, right? Again break the structure, continue go higher. Okay, but this is just example, but this is a just liquidity sweep, so this is not boss house. Boss actually happen here, right? So mainly you have to understand CHoCH only happen when price tap on PY and first pullback is a CHoCH, right? If price tap on if price break the major high or low, major structure high or low is taken out the inducement. So this one is also called change of character. Okay, now let's check another one. CHoCH. This is a not idiom. This is a CHoCH because market tap on higher time frame period. Exactly. So when price take tap break the first pullback, so this one is a called CHoCH, not idiom, right? This one is also this is an idiom because price not tap on higher time frame PY. Correct. This is a perfect example, right? Like this, take the structure like first pullback taken out. So this is a inducement, not CHoCH, right? Because price not tap any PY, but if price tap on PY is here, so the first pullback is a called CHoCH, and this is a inducement. This is a inducement. Okay, now check another one. Boss CHoCH. I don't know how you have done this one. This is not much clear. Okay, the next question, switch into the next question, flip anti-module, buy and sell example, right? So let's check first one, flip anti-module, right? So I'm not sure that how you have taken this trade. This is a not clear. So I can't understand. This is a not. Let's check another one. Flip means when demand convert into supply, supply convert into demand. Was okay. Demand convert into supply. Perfect. Okay, this one is also next. This price tap here, give reaction and fail. So if price in the future came back to the upside and then we can sell here. This is an inducement and this is our supply zone, right? Check another one. This demand convert into supply, supply convert into demand, taken out the liquidity and buy. Perfect. Simple. When demand convert into supply, supply convert into demand. That's it. Perfect. As 2D entry model. Correct. Check one more example is here. Demand, supply, sweep. Perfect. Now let's check another one. The last is here. No, sir, this is not a flip. Flip means demand convert into supply, supply convert into demand. Correct. So right now there is a not clear any flip. Okay, the next question is a CHoCH entry module is here. This is a last question answer. So start from the first one. CHoCH entry module. I don't know how you have done this one, but okay. CHoCH entry module, CHoCH, inducement, and done. Okay. Let's check another one. Perfect. Press tap on PUI. After tap the PUI, what happened here? First, CHoCH, taken out the inducement, tap on extreme and go higher. If there is no IDM, then go to higher time frame. Inducement must be before the buy or sell, right? Sweep, CHoCH, inducement, and sell. Perfect. Simple. Okay, so the random another question. Okay, CHoCH entry module is here. CHoCH inducement and go higher. Okay, sweep and go higher. Perfect. Okay, sir, this is a not CHoCH actually is here. Okay, if induce, okay, previous major low sweep here, CHoCH, inducement, and then buy. So buy is not clear is here. There is no unmitigated order block. Everything is mitigated here. Let's check the last questions. Okay, price type here. No, this can be also CHoCH, inducement and buy, but you have to refine here in a 1 minute time frame. Where is our 1 minute refined PY, like here and here? Okay. So for example, if you mark like here, so this can be a first pullback as a CHoCH, right? Continue go higher, taken out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, you can you can also buy here, because this low sweep here. So when market sweep the liquidity, then also you can buy here without inducement. Correct. So CHoCH is here because the first pullback is here. These are equal low. This is a valid pullback is here. CHoCH and buy here, because this previous candle low taken out the liquidity. All right. So now I'm going to start a quick question answer session, and after that I will finish this stream. All right, everyone. Please ask one by one. A multiple time frame we need example. Sir, for multiple time frame, I analysis mention everything in our chapter number 13, 14, 15, 16, where I cover putting all together, right? So multiple time frame analysis, basically you have to focus on two time frame, like 15 minute, 1 minute, okay, 1 hour and 5 minutes, as I explained so many times. When we can expect the video internal structure mapping? Sir, I'm I will upload as soon as possible. I'm not promise you that where I will upload, but soon I will upload. When I'm free, then definitely I will upload for you. Single candle mitigation work in a 5 minute time frame. Yes, sir. Single candle mitigation work every time frame, even a daily time frame also. Single candle order block. Single candle order block, I already covered so many times. Like this, you can see. For example, this one is your any PY. So this is our single candle order block. In this case, you don't need to wait for CHoCH or anything. Okay. And you can understand one more example. This is a liquidity. So this is a order block is here. Next pullback, you can sell here and put the stop loss just above it. So this is a called single candle mitigation. And one more example is here. If price type any demand zone, so what happened here? This is our candlestick, right? Next candle close of it. The third candle pullback is here. So mitigate and buy here and put the stop loss just below it and go higher. But these things apply when market taken out of the liquidity or taken out of the inducement or price type on PY. Please ask one by one. How to confirm single candle mitigation? I mentioned that price must be taken out of the inducement. Single candle mitigation only use when market taken out of the liquidity, taken out of the inducement. New video कब आ रही? New video जल्दी आएगी. How to play both side in a ping pong? Sir, before to play a ping pong, you have to master at least one direction, right? GBP एक बार. GBP USD. You can text me. Uh, Dark mode हटा देते हैं. Sir, white theme impact on my eyes. So basically, I use dark mode. You thought the beginning in the chop on higher time frame to hit a PUI close, however, below the last confirmation higher low. Then you said in a lower time frame chop PUI, the first pullback no matter it close. Yes, sir. When price tap on PUI in a on higher time frame, the first lower time frame pullback, right, which act like a chop. In that case, price not a uh, not necessary to close or not. If price sweep, also valid a chop. Okay, let me show you through drawing. For example, this is our higher time frame POI, and this is a lower time frame structure, right? Price type here and broken this one. If price broken and candle close below it or not, doesn't matter. This is a valid job, right? Go higher and sell here after taking out this inducement, right? So we want to multiple time frame, like if like we are trading 4 hour time frame, then 15 minute and then 1 minute. Sir, to refining the 4 hour to 1 minute is a long process. And that case, most of the time your entry like will be missed. Okay. Because the higher time frame is a 4 hour and refining 1 minute. So it's take a lot of time to catching those trade. Like it's take a 1 days, 2 days to you have to wait for it to mitigate your PI. If your stop loss hit on your 1 minute time frame, so which is not good, right? So 15-minute time frame is enough. More videos now. Yes, sir. 2 more videos are left. Soon I will upload. Please upload ping pong entry. Sir, before to play ping pong, you have to play in a one side, right? So ping pong will be more complicated for you. But definitely in upcoming 2 videos will be more helpful to you to trade internal structure and external structure. Please gold M15 देखिए M15 gold explain कर दिया है starting में. Not YouTube, Discord पे upload करेंगे. I will upload on Discord. One so one pullback, I have one dot. If one candle sweep high and low, which will be valid pullback. Sir, if price, if candle taken out the previous candle high or low, like both side high or low, which is also a valid pullback. How to proper back testing? I have done in a previous webinar that how to you can back testing. So you can watch the previous webinar, and I have done so many backtesting webinar. Simply you can browse them and you can read in a description. where I mentioned backtesting. So you can watch them. Case study. Can you post case studies? Yes, sir. I will upload case studies. Okay. So are you looking at flip supply demand on a 15-minute higher time frame or 1 minute time frame? Sir, it's depend. Okay. Flip can be apply in a higher time frame to lower time frame, any time frame, right? So mainly we use flip anti-module during in a lower time frame. And also you can use in a 15-minute time frame. Okay. If we choose 5 minute as a higher time frame, then what is lower time frame? Sir, 1 minute is a lower time frame, but when you use 5 minute as a higher time frame, then most of the entry will be available in a M1 single candle mitigation, single candle order flow, right? Which is already covered in a webinar, in a videos and ebook also. Bank Nifties are already done, so you can watch them. So you have a Bitcoin? Yes, I have. How many? Uh, I was around 6 7 Bitcoin on my wallet, but right now I have around 2 BTC left. Not 2K BTC, only 2 Bitcoin. क्या हम 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम में बिको बॉस ले सकते हैं या सर डायरेक्ट 1 मिनट में आपको को नहीं लेना है 1 मिनट में डायरेक्ट जो है ना वो सिर्फ पीवाई पे ही काम किया करता है बिटकॉइन वापस जाएगा ऑल टाइम है जाएगा लेकिन वो एक साइकिल है उसमें काफ़ी टाइम लगेगा अभी तो कम से कम 1 साल 2 साल के बाद देखने को मिलेगा I'm trying to locate your backtesting video. Are they content a weekly webinar folder? Yes, sir. In a weekly webinar folder, uh, when you open a video, then read a description. I mention if there is a backtesting, then I mention a backtesting. If a question answer, then I mention question answer. Right. So you can watch them. No more analysis, sir. Aussie USD. Okay. Aussie USD have a similar story like the gold and Euro USD, right? This one is also similar story is here. This is our previous lower low is here, lower high is here, break the structure is here. And what happened here at this time? Price close below it, not, let me check first. Here close below it, right? So this become our new lower low is here, right? because market taken out the inducement. Lower high because take the structure. Again, lower low is here, but there is a no inducement taken out. So this is our single leg move is here. Right now, there is the only single leg move is here. So if price taken out the any inducement, for example here, taken out the inducement, this lower low is a confirm here. So basically we can sell first PI is here and next one on extreme, if possible here. Best time to trade in a Forex. It's depend that which kind of volatility you can manage. Like if you are slow, so you can trade in a ASEAN, and for the medium volatility in a London and high volume, high volatility in a New York session. If the decision level broken, does the always go to extreme? Yes, sir. Very highly chances if decisional PY broken, then very highly chances price tap on extreme PY, extreme auto block, right? Natural gas, sir. I don't know the code word of the natural gas and crude oil. Natural gas is appears in a daily time frame. Okay, trying to take out the inducement. June is here. So price must be taken out this high before to continue go lower or to the upside. Is there some say strategy die? All strategy are like similar, like all about probability. There is not any fixed strategy in this world actually. So it all strategy have a different as okay. SMC also have different, and if you are trading based on the candlestick pattern, then have a different risk reward, everything. And if you are trading based on the pattern, then have a different, right, different outcome, different as right. SMC is not means that you are trading like uh, like banks and institutional and you know everything about the secret. No, it's all about probability. When you trade based on SMC, then your probability increase to identifying the liquidity, right, compared to the retailers, because most of the traders trade based on the like patterns and trend lines and different thing, but how you can play them. So before to become a smart money traders, you have to become a master in a retailer's way, right? Are you Muslim? Yes, sir. Yes, I am. Okay, sir. So now I'm going to finish this stream is here, right? This is our lower low. taken out the inducement, continue go higher, taken out the inducement, again break the structure, sweep, close of it, taken out the inducement, break the structure, continue go higher, taken out the inducement, tap here and go higher like this. So it's a possibility to market continue go higher. Can you analyze any Indian stock? Yes, I can. SMC strategy can change after how many months here? Sir, there is no strategy change. Every strategy is a working. Like if you randomly draw any trend line, if you draw anything like this, like so this can be like respected everywhere, like this. Okay. So every strategy is a working, and this will be a continue. Similar story in a HDFC Bank as I've done in a bank Nifty chart. Same process. You can analyze any stock in a Forex, crypto, stock, everywhere. This is our highest high. Taken out the inducement, continue push downside. And this was our previous low, broken, break of structure, taken out the inducement, lower low, lower high, broken this structure, lower low, taken out the inducement, higher high, sweep, and candle close below it. Again, market lower lows, taken out the inducement, lower high, broke the structure. Again, market push downside. There is no inducement taken out. Let me check first here. Okay, if taken out, then this become our valid. If not taken out, so these are equal high. So you have to wait for it. So finally taken out here. This become our lower lows here. So very simple. Okay, sir. So now I'm going to finish the stream is here. How to increase bin rate? To increase bin rate, do more back testing. Okay. And identify what's you are wrong, doing wrong, right? Identifying what are you doing wrong. This is our higher high, higher low, taken out the inducement. No, inducement, there is no inducement, single leg move. Broken, inducement, lower low is here. Sell. Let's check a daily time frame first. in a 1 hour time frame and a daily time frame, both looks Paris is here because this one is our SMT smart money trap. So very highly chances market tap here before to continue go higher. This low at like a liquidity and market can be mitigate here something and then continue go higher. So in upcoming days, we can see NAS 100 price must be taken out this low, right? This low. Okay, so can we use a 5 minute as a high time frame 1 minute entry? Yes, you can use. Sorry. How to identify internal recent high low sweep? So internal high low recent, first of all, price tap on your PY or anywhere, right? Or your inducement everywhere. Then wait for it. Like your PY failed, your inducement mitigate, and then you can see like this, like pullback, taken out and pushed downside. Broken this one. This is a new structure. And if anything creating between this one, this is our internal structure between this high to this low. If anything create here and gives any direction, you can sell here till this low, right? You can understand more better at this point. And this one. These are internal, but on an S100 is not clear as here. Simply, you can play between the measure high or low. Taken out this one, broken, taken out this one, chalk, taken out the inducement, sell till this low. Again, inducement, mitigate this one, sell, taken out this inducement and sell, right? And same thing here, taken out the inducement, sell, taken out the inducement, chalk, and here also. And for example, this is our higher time frame inducement is here, right? And then how you can play. Actually, this is a 5 minute time frame. This is a higher high, and this is a previous higher low is here. This one. So you are planning to break this one. So how you can play between this range, right? So you can simply play break the structure, taken out the inducement, sell here. Break the structure, mitigate this auto block, sell here. So this is a counter trend sell entry is here. What's your daily trading plan as a 9 to 5 short trader? Please reply. As a 9 to 5 short trader, first of all, you have to check which uh, session you are available to trade, like ASEAN, London, New York. And I will suggest you that you can also trade after finish your job, work, or anything, right? And 1 to 2 hours are enough as a trader. You don't need to sit on a screen 24 hours. When you trade less, then you play on high probability PY, because when you are available to watch the screen 24 hours, then you wait for execution or trade. When you see a random trade, then you also trade there because you are boring. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to finish this stream is here. Soon I will upload on Discord, right? Thank you so much, everyone. Will you put the drop the video internal stuff? Yes, sir. I will try my best as soon as possible. I will upload. No worry about it. Okay. Because all videos, all content for you, not me. Okay. So don't worry. I will upload uh, as much as possible for you. I always want to give you deliver high volume, high quality content for you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend, everyone.